segala penjuru. Yang terhormat dan kami sucikan Ida Pedanda Made Putra Kemenuh, yang kami sucikan Pinandita Lanang dan istri, yang saya hormati Bapak Sesepuh dan Penasehat Banjar, yang saya hormati Bapak Ketua. The beautiful conclusion series of the Galungan. We celebrate this holiday every 210 days. If Galungan is all about celebrating the victory of Dharma over Adharma, then Kuningan is the day we thank God and our ancestors for giving us the inner strength to choose Dharma and truth over these past 10 days. There are three simple but deeply meaningful things we can learn from Kuningan today. First, why is it called Kuningan? The word Kuningan comes from the word kuning, which means yellow. Today we make tumpeng kuning. In our tradition, yellow represents knowledge, purity, and life. So the message here is simple. After we celebrate Kuningan for 10 days, we shouldn't go back to our old bad habits and keep our life balanced. Second, saying goodbye with gratitude. We believe that during Galungan, God and our ancestors descend to earth to visit us. And Kuningan is the day they return to Swarga. Before they leave, we pray and say, thanks for giving us the strength to choose to fight negativity. Please bless us so we can walk on the path of Dharma. So, Kuningan teaches us to be grateful for our roots and to keep our life balanced. Third, a special reminder for us. Sumaton, let us think Galungan as an examination and Kuningan as the moment we reflect on our result. At our pasraman, we learn the sacred teaching of Trikaya Parisuddha. To purify our thoughts, wacika atau menjaga pikiran, our words manacika atau menjaga tutur bahasa, and our actions kayika atau menjaga perbuatan. And Kuningan invite a big question for us. Have we actually practiced this teaching in our daily life? It's not enough to make the beautiful penjor on our house or prepare the finest offering if we still get easily angry or speak unkindly to each other. The real meaning of Galungan and Kuningan is not about the ceremony we perform, but the transformation of our character. We become the better person of ourselves, more compassionate, more disciplined, and other. There's one old Javanese teaching that describes Galungan as an effort to achieve Patitis Ikam Jenana Sandi, which means to firmly establish unity of knowledge. Let's close our thoughts today with a prayer. Om Sarwa Bhavatu Sukhina, Sarwa Santu Niramaya, Sarwa Badrani Pasyantu, Makashit Duka Bhakbawet. Arti dari doa tersebut adalah, semoga semua makhluk bahagia, semoga semua makhluk terbebas dari penyakit, semoga semua makhluk bisa melihat apa yang baik dan membawa keberuntungan. Semoga tidak ada seorang pun yang menderita dan mengalami kesengsaraan. Demikianlah Dharma Wacana yang saya sampaikan pada kesempatan kali ini. Apabila ada kata-kata yang salah atau hal-hal yang kurang berkenan, saya memohon maaf yang sebesar-besarnya. I'm really grateful for this opportunity and thank you for your kind attention. Om Sati 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 Om.